Initial or opening balances are the balances of the company at the beginning of each new financial year or period. Initial balance is dedicated to input balances of your company at the moment when you migrate to the system. This way, the closing balance in your previous accounting software will become your initial balance in the system. Initial balance record is created once, and after being posted is not used in any other accounting transactions. Prior to inputting initial balance, make sure you have added general information about your company, created bank accounts of your company and your business partners, such as customers, vendors, banks, tax offices, defined charts of accounts, created warehouses, currencies, lists of goods and services, measurement units, inventory items, and fixed assets. Add information about all your existing bank accounts and their balances, along with specifying bookkeeping accounts for them. Specify information about the goods that you currently have in stock and their balances, along with inventory account, warehouse information, their amounts, and quantities. Specify information about fixed assets that your company owns, with their fixed asset numbers, names, initial and salvage value, a method of depreciation, its useful life and period in use, dates of commissioning and decommissioning. Add information about your customers and invoices that they are still about to pay, along with its currency, debit, and credit amounts. Add information about your vendors and purchase invoices that your company is still about to pay them, along with its currencies, debit, and credit amounts. Specify interim accruals for sales and purchase process that have not been finished yet. You can use it if, for example, you have shipped goods but haven't created an invoice for them yet, or the other way around. You have received an invoice but haven't received shipped goods yet. Add information about other transactions if needed. Total debit and credit amount above is shown for informational purposes. Save the initial balance. As to the number and date fields, they will be auto-completed automatically, as is the case with all newly created entries. Post initial balance to see the changes in the system. Remember, if you don't post an entry, the system sees it as a draft and doesn't take it into consideration. You post the created initial balance by clicking on the Post button next to the entry name.